Welcome to our channel Acknowledge, where we're about to open the door to exciting opportunities that can transform your financial landscape. In today's episode, we're diving into the realm of side hustles, a gateway to discovering hidden income potential and achieving your financial dreams. Side hustles have the magical ability to turn spare moments into opportunities. The secret sauce of side hustles: they're not just about extra cash. They're the fuel that propels your dreams forward. Whether you're saving for a trip, pursuing a passion, or building a safety net, side hustles make it possible. Ready for a journey of discovery? We're about to explore a diverse array of side hustle options, each with its own unique potential. From creative outlets to digital ventures, there's a side hustle waiting to be your financial game changer. Imagine getting paid to do what you love. Today we have a special guest expert today, who's mastered the art of turning passion into profit. Get ready to glean insights on how to monetize your unique skills. Strategic planning is the compass that guides your side hustle journey. We'll walk through the steps to crafting a solid plan, setting achievable goals, and mapping out your path to success. Balancing your main hustle and your side hustle can feel like a juggling act, but fear not. I'm sharing time management magic that'll help you make the most of every moment without burning out. Your side hustle deserves the spotlight. I'll show you how to create a buzz around your endeavor, harness the power of social media, and employ marketing tactics that resonate and attract customers. Every journey has its bumps, but it's the resilience that propels us forward. Discover how to navigate challenges, overcome setbacks, and use them as stepping stones towards growth. Get ready to be inspired by real people who turned their side hustles into triumphs. Their stories serve as beacons of hope, reminding us that success is attainable with determination and a touch of creativity. Imagine reaching milestones you once thought were out of reach. Side hustles can be your vehicle to financial freedom. We're exploring how to set and achieve tangible goals that transform your life. Balancing your main career, personal life, and side hustle is an art worth mastering. Let's delve into case studies that illuminate the path to side hustle success. These real-world examples showcase the transformative power of determination and strategic thinking. Side hustles don't just create income, they create a ripple effect of empowerment. When you take control of your financial destiny, you inspire those around you to do the same. It's time for your next steps. I'll guide you through the actions you can take today to kickstart your side hustle journey and unleash a world of opportunities. And there you have it, a journey through the world of side hustles, where dreams take flight and financial horizons expand. Remember, your potential is limitless, and your side hustle can be the catalyst for change. If this episode resonated with you, remember to hit that like button, share your thoughts, and let's keep elevating together.